Hi guys, so I hope you all are doing well. So today too we have a very intriguing tricky question before you, which is this. All right, so you please stay tuned with me for the next 5 minutes and then I can show you how to deal with such complex sums, right? So we'll go step by step. All right, so be patient and be there with me guys to be able to master the concept. All right, so we have this and we are supposed to be solving the value of x. So how do we go? Do you even wonder how do we solve this equation? Okay, and that too in few minutes. So just trust me. Okay, we'll be able to do it. So the first step would be that we need to square up both sides, right? So 15 minus x root 14, this is to be squared, and there we have root 8 minus root 7, okay, and whole square, correct? So far so good. Now what will be left off here? Since we have a square root, okay, over the entire thing, so this gets cancelled with that. Therefore, we'll be left with 15 minus x root 14. And here, this is clearly an identity too, which is a minus b whole square. So, a square plus, okay, b square minus 2 root 8 and root 7. Got it guys? So what next? So we have, okay, here nothing to do much, 15 minus x, okay, we repeat the whole thing. Here we need to simplify. Root 8 into root 8 is equal to plane 8. The same here, but here we have 2 root, okay, 8 multiplied by root 7, okay, so which means we get 8 into 7 is 56, correct? So here 8 plus 7 is 15 minus 2 root 56. All right, so stay tuned because there are still some confusion over here which we have to solve this to be able to crack the value of x out of this. Got it? So we have 15x and 14 here. So can we simplify this further? 15 gets cut and I am left with minus x root 14 here, and with this minus 2 root 56. Minus minus also gets cancelled from LHS and RHS. What about this? Can we not write 2 14 into 2 square? 14 fours are 56. Alright guys, so x 14. Now x root 14 equals to 2 comes out, so we are left with 4 here. 2 into 2 4 and 14 remains inside. When we cancel this from both sides, we are therefore left with x equals to 4. Alright, so this was quite okay complicated, but look at it now, it is so easy. I am sure you will be able to understand, okay, such concepts easily now, and I'm glad that we have been able to reach to a conclusion. So x is equal to 4, and this is how you have to deal with such problems. So whenever in future you are faced with such problems, do not be worried guys. Okay, so see you with my next video on another interesting sum. Bye bye. Have a great day.